Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's a quick little video about OBS 3.0 or 3.0, 2.3, and maybe some others. Sometimes when you're working in OBS and you do something like you're going through a bunch of profiles and you're deleting them or removing them, a bunch of them, or also doing scene collections where you're removing a bunch of them, all of a sudden, even though you might have an advanced audio properties, something set up to monitor an output where you can hear what's going on in the media source that you're using. For example, here I've got music going. I have this turned off right now, but music's being played. But it's not outputting. Even though I have it monitor and output, I hear nothing through my speakers or through my headphones. Now, what you want to do with this, instead of before you reinstall, and you need to back up OBS and do all that other stuff before you reinstall OBS, go up to here, go up to Help, and check File Integrity. This will close OBS. Starting the integrity check will scan your OBS installation for corruptions and re-download broken modified files. This may take a moment. You say yes. And then I want to make say yes in that, and then it'll do this, and it's done. It will probably won't report errors. But then I can just go ahead and launch OBS again, and then all of a sudden it will once again some output. Give that a shot before you go ahead and reinstall OBS or pull out more of your hair. Take care. Talk to you again another time.